Hello viewers, welcome to the class for today. Today we'll be looking at grade 8 math, which is graphs, and that's quadratic graph. Then we'll also be looking at grade 5 math, which is expanding bracket and simplifying brackets. You can subscribe to this channel. Thank you.
Uh,
How are you?
Good.
All right, you're welcome to the class for today. Send your assignment to me. So we're going to continue shortly as I get a question from my student. So here's the work you submitted, and the question says to plot the graph of y equal to x squared plus 2x plus 5 for the values of x ranging from minus 3 to plus 2. Okay, let's quickly get a table of values. So for the table of values, we're going to have x ranging from minus 3, let me see, to minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, and 2. So it's going to end here. Then the values of y, let's see, the y is this value, which is going to be x squared first. Let me see. So x squared, then plus 2x, that is 2x, and plus 5. And then finally, we're going to have the value of y at the bottom here. So let's just fix it up here. Okay. Um, so that's y at the bottom. Now, when x is minus 3, square is 9, the square is 4, the square is 1, the square is 0, square is 1, and square is 4. Then twice of x, minus 6, minus 4, minus 2, 0, then 2 and 4. Then we're adding 5 to everything. So 9 minus 6 is 3. 3 plus 5 is 8. 4 plus 4 minus 4 is 0. So this is 5. Then 1 minus 2 is minus 1. Minus 1 plus this, that is 4. Which is 6 minus 2. So 5 plus 0. This is 5. This is 7. And this is 9. Okay, so Now over to the plotting of the graph. Let me see. Hold on, I'll continue shortly. Okay. All right, can you hear me now?
Yes.
So to plot the graph, we have to draw our axis, and let me see. Axis. Use this red line. So x ranges from -3 to +2. That means for y-axis, I just need -3 on the left and +2 on the right. So if I put it somewhere, if I put y-axis somewhere here, then I can still have on the left, I can measure 3 for x because this is the 3 highest there. Then I can measure 2 for x also, which is this 2. So let me count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So that 6 can stand for the 3. So that means on x-axis, I can say 2 centimeters represent 1 unit. So then to locate my x-axis, I need to consider the value of y. On y, I don't have any negative, so there's none of these that's negative, so I don't even need any place at the bottom. I could even decide to come here to place my x-axis because only positive values are needed for y. So I can just maybe put it here. Okay, let me see. Yes, so that will be the y-axis. I mean the x-axis rather for the y values above. Hold on, we'll continue shortly. Things I'm explaining. Do you understand everything? What did you say?
Yes.
Okay, so this is the origin, which is that 0 center. And for from y, we are going to 9, maximum 9. So if we say 2 centimeter represent 1 unit, I think we can still count 9 at the top. So it's going to be 1 here, then 2, then 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and finally 9. So on y-axis also we say 2 centimeters represent 1 unit. So since it's the same thing, we could just say 2 centimeter represent 1 unit on both axes. So this one is going to be 2 centimeters. That's 1. That's 2. And that's 3. Maximum. Then here 1 and 2. Since it's positive 2 maximum. Then
You haven't put negative for the
for the y, right?
no for no y the x.
Yeah, okay, minus, right? -1, -2, -3. Is that what you're saying, right?
Mm.
Okay, that's good. That's correct. Now, when x is -3, y goes up to 8. So on x, as you travel to -3, then you travel up to go and meet 8 here. So the point we are looking for is this point, but I'm going to cancel all those inscription and just put the point here. Then when x is -2, y is 5 on x, -2 on y, 5. So -2 goes straight to 5 here. Then minus 1 goes straight to 4. Minus 1, 2, 4. Then 0 goes to 5 when x is 0, y is 5. So on the axis here. And when x is 1, y is 7. So y goes up to 7 here. When x is 2, y then goes up to 9, which is the highest value. So there is no zero value for y. That means our graph doesn't come to this place at all. So now this will be the part of the graph, something like this. But how we can now, put them on the points. Let's try to see between here and here and here. Let me just put this one this way. Um, and yes. So that's the beginning of the curve there. Then I can also just try to join this also and see how it can stay on that, or better still, I joined only this one first. So then I now join the last one, which is somewhere here. So, but it has to be a curve, okay? There should be no straight line on it, exactly.
Yes.
It has to curve out something like this. All right. Checking through your table, maybe you mix up some stuff there because it's not. Your table repeated some values 555 instead of 545. Then you got 9 and 13 instead of 7 and 9. So just to quickly do the correction now, okay? All right. All right, viewers, thanks for watching. We're going to continue shortly. You can subscribe to this channel. Thank you. So this is the work you submitted, right?
Yes.
Your x value started from where?
98.
Where did you stop?
Um. 2.
Okay, maybe you should firstly complete that before we look at it. Then you send it
Oh,
again, okay?
4.
Exactly.
Yes.
All right. So when you complete it, you send it again. All right. We're gonna check it when she's done. Okay. So this is the work you submitted. If I get it right, these are your values of y at the bottom. What are they? 3, right?
Mm, yes, 3.
3.
0.
Hold on. 0.
Negative 5.
Okay.
Negative 8.
Negative 8. And what?
Negative 9.
Negative 9. Mm-hmm.
Negative 8.
Negative 8. Mm-hmm.
5.
5. Okay.
0.
0. And those are for the corresponding values of x ranging from -3, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Um, if I just want to confirm the first one, the equation says what? Y equals to x squared minus 2x minus 8. So for x equal to negative 3, y will be equal to negative 3 squared minus 2 into negative 3 minus 8. So that'll be, this is 9 plus 6 minus 8. Okay. What is 9 plus 6?
15.
What is 15 minus 8?
3. Awesome.
7. So what I would have you to do is that you will, this classwork, you will redo it, okay, as your assignment. Then I'll give you another assignment to join with it, okay? Exactly.
Yes.
You will redo it as assignment, then and I'll give you another one to try with it. But don't rush so that you won't mix up the values. Then you'll now be able to plot the correct thing, because like this first one now will negate what is supposed to be, okay? Alright, just hold on there while I send you work. So thanks for watching, viewers. We are going to continue shortly with the other work, which is for grade 5. Okay. You can subscribe to this channel. Thank you. Yeah, good morning. How are you, Israel?
No, good.
All right, you
By the
welcome.
way,
Yes,
the assignment, I didn't understand what you meant by expand.
Israel. Is
I'm
it?
not lying. I actually didn't understand.
Okay, no problem. I'm going to do some of them for you, then you do the remaining ones, okay?
Yeah, because I looked at the class at
I
the
know, I know,
recent. I looked at the recent one. It's and it only showed simplify. So
I know.
and when it said expand, I thought
Mm,
that if I just did normal simplify, I'll mess it up.
I know.
That's like,
I purposely gave it
right.
to you because that's a further, I mean, that's a further part of the topic. You understand?
Okay.
Okay, then let me try to do maybe like 5 of them, then you do the remaining 5. So I'm going to remove these ones now. Let me cut off this part so that we quickly get to them. So I'll put them somewhere here for later use. For the first one, what we need to do is to, I mean, drop a question somewhere. Now we're picking them one by one. We need to multiply through the brackets. Okay.
Okay.
The number outside will multiply all the terms in the bracket. In this case, we have only 2 terms. So if there are 90 terms, you keep multiplying all of them. So what is 2 times 4?
8.
8.
Sorry.
Then x will be there, okay? Then
Yeah.
what is 2 times 2?
4.
Then also, this is positive here. You take note of it. Because if it's negative, once it multiply positive, you have negative, okay?
Okay.
And if it's negative, this one is also negative, you multiply to get a positive answer outside there. Maybe we're going to see such examples later. In that case, I might not have to do, I might just have to select the ones I'm doing, just so that we'll continue shortly. So these are the ones I'm going to do in the bracket so that you can have the perfect examples of the ones that are not in the bracket to do either as classwork or even as some work. So number one, I have 2 into 4x plus 2 plus, please make sure you're concentrating, okay?
Okay.
Plus 4. So what I told you to do is to multiply through the bracket. So I have what? 8x plus what?
8x, 2,
No.
and 4.
Plus,
Sorry.
how did it become 4?
Yeah.
How did it become 4? 2 times 2.
Because 2 times, yeah.
2 times 2 gives us 4. Then plus, what would this one become? That become what?
So 18x,
Yes, plus what?
uh, 24x.
Good.
I mean 24, sorry.
24. Good. So you can now see that we have like terms, right?
Yeah.
You can bring them together. That's the simplify aspect. Then the numbers are also like terms because they don't have any x. Exactly.
Yes.
So what will I do to the x's? I'll add them.
Add them together.
That'll be what? Then
26x.
what will I do to the numbers?
Add, add them together too.
That'll be what? So
28.
can I proceed further from here?
Hmm. No,
Why?
because there's an x in 26 and
And there
there's
is
not an
no
x at
x.
20.
So they are not like terms.
Yeah.
So we can,
Okay.
if it's subtraction, we can do it. If it's addition, we can also not do it. Okay, hold on. Continue shortly. All right, so we'll continue right now. Okay. Can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear.
All right. Let's see. This one, 2 into 4x plus 2. Then, yeah, they put the same number. That is just to show us the concept, not because of anything. So,
Okay.
plus 6 into 3x minus 4 this time around instead of plus 4. So, what we have to do is 2 times 4 again. That's 8x again. And this is also way. Okay. This is also going to be 4. And this time around, we have also 18x. But instead of positive 24, we have what?
24.
No, negative. Instead of positive, you can see this one was positive, right?
Yeah.
But this is now negative. Why is it negative? Because we multiplied
This is,
positive and negative together.
yeah, because the 4 was a negative.
Yes, so our answer will be negative. So we can rearrange and say 8x plus 18x, then plus 4 minus 24. What is 8x plus 18x?
26x.
What is positive 4 minus 24?
20.
20, negative, right?
Okay. Negative 20.
Are you sure it's negative?
Yes.
Because these are negatives, okay?
Okay.
Then this is positive. So for positive, we remove 4 from the negatives. Then we have 20 negatives, okay?
Okay.
Okay, let's see um, the next one, number 5, which is the one I'm
Okay.
going to just try. So we have 6 into 3x minus 4, then plus 2 into 2 minus 4x. It is the signs we have to consider now, the negative and positive sign. So 6 times 3 is also 18x, but this time we have minus 24, then plus 4 minus 8x. So collecting like terms, what do you have? Minus 18x minus 8x, then minus 24 also plus 4, right?
Yeah.
What is 18x minus 8x? Then
So
what is
that's 8,
minus
10x.
what
That's
is
10x.
what is minus 24 plus 4?
Hmm?
Minus 24 plus 4, that's minus 20. Exactly.
Yes.
Then number 6 or number 10, I'm doing number 10. 6 into x minus 4 minus 4x um, plus 2, okay?
Okay.
You will discover that this one doesn't have any number outside the second bracket, okay?
Okay.
Unlike all the ones we've been doing, there is always a number outside the second bracket, a number outside the second bracket, a number outside the second. But this one, no number, okay?
Okay.
It means there is one there. Exactly.
Yes.
So we have 6x minus 24 minus 4x minus 2. Because the minus 1 will multiply everything in the bracket. Then we're going to have 6x minus 4x, then minus 24 minus 2. What is 6x minus 4x?
No, that is 2x.
What is minus 24 minus 2?
22x.
No, minus 26. You have negative 24 and negative 2. That is negative 26, okay?
Okay.
And the last one that I'm going to do is number 12 there. So let's see, number 12. For number 12, we have what? 6 into what? X minus
Next.
4y. Are you sure you're concentrating?
Yes.
6 into x minus 4y. Then minus what again? 4x
Okay.
minus 2y. I said number 12. You should check the number 12 now.
Oh, I thought I heard number 6.
You said what?
Oh, never mind, never mind.
It's number 12. I put all of the ones I wanted to do inside the box, right?
Mm,
Right?
wait. Yes.
So that's number 12. So once I'm through, you're going to write it down, then you try the remaining ones yourself. So now we have 6 times x is 6x, then minus 24y, then minus 4x, plus, because minus times minus is plus, plus
Yeah.
2y. So we can collect like terms. 6x minus 4x minus 24y plus 2y. So this is going to be what? What is 6x minus 4x?
2x.
What is minus 24y plus 2y?
Minus 22y.
Because this is positive, while this is negative. 2 positive will cancel
Yeah.
2 from the negatives. All right, so you can put down all of the solutions to number 1, 2, 5, and 10, okay?
Okay.
Once
Oh,
you
can
are
I have a
through,
drink first?
yeah, you can.
Mm.
All right, viewers, we're going to continue shortly. Thanks for watching. You can subscribe to this channel.